Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the integration by part method. We take some example here. Question number 19. Integration of x tan inverse x dx x square tan inverse dx 20. Question number 19. Solution 19 x square tan inverse x dx. Integration of this can be written as tan inverse x into x square dx. This is the first function and this is the second function. Now product of this first function tan inverse x, integration of second function x square dx, minus integration of whole function d by dx tan inverse x, integration of x square dx and integration of whole function here. Now tan inverse x, integration of x to the power 2, x to the power n plus 1 and 3 by 3 minus integration of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square and integration of x square x cube by 3, integration of whole function here dx. Now this can be written as x cube tan inverse x by 3 minus here this can be written as, in this case here 3 1 by 3 comes here, integration of x cube by 1 plus x square dx. X cube can be written as here x cube by 1 plus x square dx. It can be written as x minus x cube tan inverse x by 3 1 by 3. This can be written as x minus x by 1 plus x square dx, integration of this. If we simplify this, we multiply here x plus x cube minus x divided by 1 plus x square. This and this cancel. This is x cube divided by 1 plus x square. Simply these terms we get. So that these terms arranged in the form of this, here we can write here in this case this here x cube tan inverse x by 3 minus 1 by 3 x, integration of x dx minus integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. Here this can be written as in the form of this. Now in this case x cube tan inverse x by 3 minus this can be written as integration of this x to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 and 1 by 3 x square by 2. This can be written as minus minus plus here integration of here 1 by 3 also comes here, integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. Now putting in this case, putting 1 plus x square equal to t, so that 2x dx is equal to dt. It means that x dx equal to dt by 2, so that here x cube tan inverse x by 3 minus x square by 3 to the 6 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus x square is equal to t, and x dx equal to 1 by t, and x dx equal to dt by 2. Integration of this can be written as x cube tan inverse x by 3 minus x square by 6, 3 to the 6 plus 1 by 6, integration of 1 by t dt is log t, putting the value of log t here, x cube tan inverse x by 3 minus x square by 6 plus 1 by 6 log t equal to 1 plus x square, and we are the integrating constant c, so that this is the integration of our x tan inverse x dx here. Now we take another example here, question number 20. Question number 20 here, solution of this, integration of x tan inverse x dx. This can be written as integration of tan inverse x into x dx. This is the first term, this is the second term, so that first terms integration of second terms, first terms tan inverse x, and integration of this is x square by 2 minus whole का integration, differentiation of first terms, differentiation of this 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of this x square by 2, integration of this here, so that we can write here x square tan inverse x divided by 2 minus, this can be written as 1 by 2 comes here, and integration of x square divided by 1 plus x square dx. We can arrange this x square tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2. This can be written as we add 1 plus x square, and also subtract 1 divided by 1 plus x square, integration of this, so that x square tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2, this can be written as 1 plus x square by this and 1 by this, so that the 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square 1 dx, integration of 1 dx, and minus 1 dx, integration of 1 dx, and minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx here, x square dx here. Now this can be written as x square tan inverse x by 2 minus here x integration of 1 dx x, so that this is equal to x by 2 minus 1 by minus plus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. This is equal to tan inverse x, so that x square tan inverse x minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. This is our answer. Now here question number 21 here, integration of sin root x dx, sin root x dx, putting root x equal to t, so that this can be written as here x के power half equal to here x for half equal to t, differentiating with respect to x 1 by 2 x के पावर माइनस हाफ dx इक्वल टू dt. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 1 बाई 2 रूट x dx इक्वल टू dt. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज dx इक्वल टू 2 रूट x dt. It means that 2t dt. Now dx equal to 2 root x dt, so that this is a sin t and 2t dt. 2 comes here. We apply the formula of first function into second function. First function integration of second, differentiation of first, integration of second here. Now t sin integration of sin t is equal to minus cos t, and differentiation of dt by dt equal to 1, and sin integration of sin t minus cos t, so that 2 comes here. Now this is negative 2t cos t, and 2 comes here, minus this is a plus, integration of cos t dt, so that in this case this is a this can be written as minus 2t cos t plus minus plus, and 2 integration of this, integration of cos t is equal to sin t, so that we write here in this case is integration of this, putting the value of t 2 root x cos t equal to root x plus 2 sin t equal to root x plus c. This is integration of this. Now this is integration of this. Now here is minus sign also comes here, minus 2 root x cos root x plus 2 sin root x plus c. This is our answer. Now we take the question number 22 here, integration of e के power ax sin x dx. Now integration of e के power ax sin x dx is equal to dx is equal to I. Suppose that I is this, so that I equal to this is a e to the power ax. This is a first function, this is second function. Apply product formula here. First function integration of second function minus differentiation of first, integration of second, and whole integration of whole function e to the power ax. Integration of sin x is cos x minus cos x, and minus differentiation of e to the power ax, e to the power ax, ax, that is a simple a e to the power ax, and integration of sin x is minus cos x dx. Now this is negative sin e to the power ax cos x, and this is minus this minus, that is also plus. Here a integration of e to the power ax cos x dx. Now we again apply the product of two functions in the integration. First function, this is second function, so that this comes here. Now a is here, first function, integration of second function minus differentiation of first, integration of second, integration of whole function here. Now this comes here e to the power ax, and in this case a e to the power ax, integration of cos x is sin x, and a also comes here, a differentiation of this a e to the power ax, and integration of this is this, so that a and a, this is a square, integration a square, and integration of e to the power ax sin x dx, and this comes here. Now so that we start from I, this is I equal to minus e to the power ax cos x, this is plus a e to the power ax sin x minus a square e to the power ax sin x dx, e to the power ax sin x dx. We start from it, this is also equal to I, so that this can be equal to I. If this comes here, in this case I plus a square I equal to this term, write a e to the power ax sin x minus e के power ax cos x. Now here we take the common I, 1 plus a square I equal to a. In this case we take e के power ax common, so that here a sin x minus cos x. So this, so that integration of this is equal to this here e to the power ax a sin x minus cos x divided by this comes here 1 plus a square, 1 plus a square, we add the integrating constant c here. This is our answer, integration of this e to the power ax sin x dx. Now we take, now question number 23 here, integration of e के power ax cos bx dx, e के power ax cos bx dx. Let us suppose that this is equal to I, suppose that, so that I is equal to integration of e के power ax cos bx. We assume that this is first term and this is the second term. Apply the formula, first term integration of second term minus differentiation of first term integration of second term and whole का integration here. E के power ax integration of cos bx is sin bx by b minus e के power differentiation of this a, e के power ax and ax a, so that differentiation of this a e के power ax plus minus and here cos bx integration of this is equal to sin bx by b dx. Here e के power ax sin bx by b and a by b here e के power ax sin bx integration of this. Again we assume that this is the first term, this is the second term. These terms comes here a by b. Now first term integration of second term. First term integration of second term. This is a sin bx minus cos bx by b. Differentiation of first a e के power ax and integration of second minus cos bx by b dx. So that these terms comes here a by this is a by b square and minus minus this is also equal to plus e के power ax cos bx. A by b comes here and a by b here a square minus b square. This minus minus plus and also minus here. So that integration of e के power ax cos bx dx. Now these terms e के power ax sin bx by b a by b square e के power ax cos bx and minus a square by b square. Integration of this e के power ax cos bx dx also equal to I. Here suppose that so that this is equal to I. After change the sign this side, this is a minus comes here positive a square by b square I. This is equal to I and this is a e के power ax sin bx by b and a by b square e की power ax cos bx. Now here we take the assume I. Take the common I here, b square plus a square by b square and a square plus b square by b square I. And here also we take LCM b square so that a e to the power ax sin bx b divided this b e के power ax sin bx and plus b square so that a e to the power ax cos bx. Now b and b cancel, these terms and these terms cancel here, these terms and these terms cancel here. Now I equal to this term, we take the common e के power ax. Here e के power ax so that b sin x plus a cos bx and this comes here so that integration of this is this. Now like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.